order pizza online from Papa John's, start by visiting their official website at papajohns.com. From there, select your country, and the website will redirect you to the local version for your region. Once on your country's page, you'll find their contact number displayed at the top right corner, which you can use to place an order directly. Scrolling down, you'll often see a list of online delivery partners that offer door-to-door service, making it convenient to order your favorite pizza. Additionally, look for an option labeled "Click here to order." This feature sometimes provides vouchers that you can redeem, but note that you might need to visit a physical store to complete the purchase. For the smoothest experience, consider creating an account on their site or app where you can access special offers and save your details for future orders.